Key facts to know if you drive without car insurance. You might think skipping car insurance is a way to save money, but the reality? It can end up costing you far more than you ever expected. In almost every US state, car insurance isn't optional, it's the law. If you are pulled over without it, the penalties can be steep. Fines, points on your license, suspension of your vehicle registration, even the impoundment of your car. And in some places, like Maryland, repeated violations could even lead to jail time. But legal trouble is just the beginning. If you get into an accident, whether you caused it or not, and you're uninsured, you're on the hook for everything. That means paying for damage to other vehicles, covering someone else's medical bills, being sued for lost wages or long-term injuries, and paying your legal fees. It's not just a traffic issue, it's a serious financial risk. At Klinger Insurance Group, we've seen people take the chance saying, "It's just a short drive." What could happen? Then an accident occurs, and they're left to deal with the consequences alone. Even if you don't get into an accident, going without insurance affects your future. A lapse in coverage is a red flag for insurers. You could face higher premiums or even be denied coverage later on. Plus, no insurance means no protection from things like theft, vandalism, or weather damage. If your car is stolen or destroyed in a storm or fire, you're completely unprotected. So what should you do? Make sure your policy is always active. If cost is an issue, talk to us. At Klinger Insurance Group, we offer flexible payment plans, access to top carriers, and discounts that can help keep you covered without breaking your budget. Insurance isn't just a legal requirement, it's your financial safety net when life takes an unexpected turn. Need help reviewing your policy or getting started? Call us today at 301-428-4935. We'll help you find the right protection at the right price. Klinger Insurance Group, trusted advice. Tailored protection